Jungle Scout's extension is the industry's original product research tool. Use it to evaluate new opportunities, forecast product sales, request reviews, and more. The extension runs on any Amazon search page or product page. Perform a search, click to run, and you'll immediately see important insights such as monthly sales, price, reviews, revenue, and estimated net profits. Use our opportunity score to quickly validate or eliminate product ideas. Display ASIN data directly on Amazon search pages in top 100 category pages. Customize your view to see the data that's most important for your business, like brand, price, monthly sales, rating, and listing quality score. Not only that, but extension shows important product information embedded directly on a product's listing page. View graphs of historical data like monthly sales, price, and rank, as well as current data like product fees, category rank, and listing quality score. Extension integrates neatly with our full suite of products. See what keywords a particular product is ranking for, find the supplier for the product, and add it to the product tracker to further verify sales. If you're already a seller, you can also use extension to easily send a review request for product reviews from your customers with just one click. Use extension to get a quick and accurate view of any potential niche or product you're evaluating. Our AccuSales algorithm analyzes over 1 billion data points a day, taking the guesswork out of product research and doing the hard work for you. Extension is the most robust browser extension for Amazon, available on both Chrome and Firefox.